You can also shop over 4,000 more cars and trucks online at edmartin.com.
Take a ride in 2012 Evoque. The all-new Range Rover Evoque is the lightest and most fuel-efficient Range Rover to date, continuing our commitment to environmental sustainability, and is priced below $25,000. This vehicle has less than 80,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: power lift gate, keyless entry, steering wheel audio controls, power passenger seat, leather-wrapped steering wheel, Bluetooth, adjustable steering wheel, power steering, floor mats, aluminum wheels. Come see the car for yourself.
Nine convenient locations, 12 top-selling brands, and over 4,000 new and used cars and trucks online at edmartin.com. Ed Martin is the only name you need to know.